Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today I am unboxing a brand new collection from Paper Rose Studio, and I love this so much. Let's dive in and start looking at this. So I have the Petals and Pansies collection on my desk, and I've got quite a bit of it. So I've got the 6x6 Petals and Pansies basic pattern paper. I have the Petals and Pansies embossed die cuts. I've got the Petals and Pansies Teddies embossed die cuts. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then I have the 12x12 Petals and Pansies collection, as well as the basics 12x12 pattern paper. So let's look at these individually. Oh, I forgot I have these too. I've got two dies. I've got the Etched Pansies 2 metal die and the little foliage metal die. I thought they'd go great with this collection. So I'm going to start here with the Petals and Pansies 12x12 paper collection. There's 12 double-sided pattern papers, and you get 2 each of the 12 designs. And I like that Paper Rose on the back cover of their 12x12 collections have all of these sentiment strips, so you could easily just cut these out and place them on your layout or card or whatever project you're working on. I'm going to flip through each of the pattern papers so you can see each of these. They are stunning. So here, the first one we had cut aparts, and then we've got this chair like in a garden of florals. Here's another cut apart. These are like 3x4 cut aparts. Super sweet images, and I love this one with the bunny and the little duck. That is so cute. I love all the violet colors or lavender colors in this collection. Here is a 4x6 cut apart. Oh, I'm sorry, 3x4 cut apart. We've got another pattern paper here with a gorgeous floral display and a typewriter and some books, a little cup of coffee. And then I'm going to show you the back now of the pattern papers so that you can see each of these. And you know what? This one's so cute. Let me hold it up so you can see these. Look, these are little puppies. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. Just super sweet images in this collection. And this one on the back, it has all these like cakes and macaroons and just desserts. We've got a striped pattern here that just mixes in so well with all of these. Here's another sweet bunny paper with florals. Then we've got this floral design with more like, and then this one here is like glass, like reading glasses, and it's just so unique. Then we have the Petals and Pansies basic 12x12 pattern paper. Again, you've got the cut aparts on the back front cover. And then we've got this gorgeous scene here. I'd like to be there. That's just so pretty. And then florals here. Are these lilacs? I don't know my flowers, but I think that's lilac. And then I love this like grungy paper mixed in. That's so me to have like the soft and subtle images with just a little hint of grunge. Then we've got this design. Here's another grungy paper. We've got all florals here, super pretty. It's got some yellow, purple, green. Now I'm going to show you the backs. So we've got this design here. Then we've got some like butterflies mixed in with some florals. We've got lots of butterflies on this pattern paper. Another one of those designs here. Then we've got this nice pattern and then some more florals. All right, now I want to show you the embossed die cuts. So with these, oh my goodness, look at these. And it's hard to really appreciate these on camera, but there is that embossing detail. Do you see the little puppy? And then I love bicycles. So we've got a bicycle on here, like a teapot, florals. Oh, look at the squirrel. Oh, there's a bird bath, some florals, a window, another little cute critter. We've got some desserts on here. These are going to be really nice to put on cards and scrapbook layouts. And then here's one more sheet. There's a cute little bunny on this one. I love these. Oh, there's a birdhouse. I love birds. My kitty cat loves birds, so I think I have this new obsession with birds now. And then this was my favorite thing that I saw, so I'm most excited about this out of the collection. This is the Petals and Pansies teddies. So there's these cute teddy bears on these die cuts. Look at these. So you have some sentiments mixed in here. So like sending birthday wishes just for you. We've got mom, and then the little adorable bears and cute, like one's riding a bike, some are holding flowers. Best wishes to you, smile, bloom, and grow. Hello. Hello, spring. Thanks. You're the best. And these teddies are just so cute. I love these so much. And then let me flip this one over. Happy Mother's Day. Love you. Thinking of you. These are just stunning. Then I've got a couple other things that I want to show you as well. So like I said, I also got the 6x6 pattern paper, and I got this one in the basics, and I also picked up these two dies. So this die is the etched pansy 2 metal die. I thought since it was called pansies, I needed a pansy die cut, and then I thought that these other leaves, the little foliage metal die, I thought it would pair nicely with these as well, with this collection. And then this is the 6x6 Petals and Pansies Basic. It's the same designs. You get 18 double-sided pattern papers. There's 3 each of the 12 designs with the 6x6 size. It's the same designs, they're just at a smaller scale. And so these are just super, super cute. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I do want to mention that Paper Rose now has a US shipping site, so you can go to Paper Rose in the US as well as Australia, and they also ship from different retailers like scrapbook.com. So I'll leave a link down below to a retailer, and I hope it works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!